right, I'm going to let you take over on this one, man. You feel it out. What do you think?
All right.
Get some clean air up front for a minute.
Yeah.
This road's a tight one.
Yeah, feels good. Mike.
That's a hard workout right there, buddy.
Yeah.
Woo! Nice and easy.
A little bit of loose gravel.
Here we go. Got a little exchange. That's a cool bike.
Yeah.
Take it easy, hot rod. What's that up? What do we got up here? Johnny?
Nah. Hiker.
Yeah, this stuff's tight up through here, man. Yeah, this was real tight. This is the picture when you can go around. I can actually see if I was behind longer. We can see each other. Got to time it out next time.
Yeah.
I'll get my photo ready. You can smile at me. Yeah, he is. Oh, 180. She's a tight little snake. picturesque right there. That sun coming through there.
Yeah.
It's awesome. This stuff kind of looks loose through here, doesn't it? It's real loose.
Yeah. I like seeing that better than this wet.
Yeah, this area right here don't get much sun. Woo! Like slippery and muddy back there. Whoa. I just got a little loose.
What's that?
I just got a little loose.
Oh, yeah? How far are you back there? Are you in range? Are you in range?
No.
Oh.
Almost.
I didn't lose you, did I?
No. You're cruising, man. You're in the zone.
Yeah. Focus, focus. Ooh.
Yeah, these winter roads are, you gotta watch them. This one's got, the asphalt's interesting on this one. Ooh, I got a little loose. Got a little loose coming out of that corner.
Uh-oh, here at mile 7 we got a sharp.
We're close.
Oh, gravel, gravel.